Alright, so if you're having this detection verification driver issue in the device manager, most likely it's the audio driver, more specifically the Realtek audio driver. So I basically went to HP's website. Let me go back here. Then we went to the laptop drivers, and then we basically typed in our laptop model here. Once you do that, you pick your OS. Let me actually type this back in again so I can do that. Alright, so this is their laptop model. We click that, and then we select the OS, Windows 10. I just did Windows 10 64-bit generic. We'll submit that. It'll show the drivers, but I selected to show all. I didn't want to manually detect audio. Then you just download that. Alright, I downloaded it to the desktop. We'll run that. Sorry, it keeps wanting to focus on random stuff. Alright, sorry, I was working on something. We'll go to next. Accept, next, next. We'll see, hopefully that driver detection thing will disappear. Hopefully. Yes, it's gone. Alright, and here you can see it's doing this. Okay, and we got this. And it's still installing stuff. And this thing keeps going out of focus. Stop it. Stay focused there. And hopefully once we restart, all of this will be done. Because I think this is all based on the same stuff. Nope, that thing's still there. Huh, we still got one that's messed up. What's going on there? Let's right click, properties, device controller. Oh, we have to restart the computer. That's what I thought. Okay, let's restart the computer. And let's hope we got it good now. Sorry for all the delays and stopping and pausing. And let's check one more time. Device manager. And we're good. All the drivers are there. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.